Good morning, sir. My name is Shivani Kutyal, PID number 19 MBA AB016. Today, I am going to present the topic that is importance and benefits of MIS in Tata Company. Let's start with the topic that is importance of MIS in Tata Company. So, basically, MIS is a combination of three different segments, that is management, information, and system. The MI system mainly collects information from internal and external source, process the information collected, and provide it to the company to facilitate the process of decision making. It is called the heart of a company because it ensures the collection of appropriate data from various sources. It works on all level of management from low management level to top management level. At low management or junior level management, it helps in providing operational data for planning, control, scheduling, and in further decision making at operational level. And at middle level management, it helps in short term planning, target setting, whereas at top management level, it helps in setting goal and in making strategic plans to attain profit, which is the ultimate goal of every business. Moving on to the next slide. In Tata Company, IT plays an important role as it collects information from various sources, process them, and provide it to the company. Company use various new technologies and ideas in their business to attain profit so that they can compete globally with international companies as well as with the local ones. So basically, IT in MIS system or in a company mainly reduces the manual operation which is done by the employees or the managers of the company to make an appropriate decision. MI system help company in taking decisions which are beneficial for the company in future to attain their objective of profit making. Profit making is the ultimate goal of every business, so the decisions taken by the managers in the company are based upon the information collected. Tata Company uses various MIS systems such as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, Dealer Management System DMS, Customer Relationship Management CRM. So let's discuss ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning. So it is an integrated computer based system which is used to manage internal external resources such as material, tangible assets, etc. The main purpose of ERP is to facilitate the flow of information between all business functions inside the boundary of the company and manage their relationship with the dealers. Mainly, it is the best fit for of MI system in the company because its implementation helps the company for in better sharing of information across business, giving real time access to data by the employees. The next is dealer management system. The dealer management system is a software used by the dealers. It helps the dealers in Tata Company to maintain the records of the sales, deals, and other operations that occurs in the company. It helps business dealers to manage their business through a single platform. The next one is customer relationship management. CRM is a software which is used to handle customer relationship. In this software, the managers usually collect the information about their customers, enter that information into the system, store, and which can be accessed by the employees in different departments. The ultimate goal is to improve service that is provided to the customers and to use customer contact information for targeted marketing. The main purpose of CRM is to maintain a healthy and strong relationship so that they can increase their sales in future and attain a good profit. The next one is benefits of MIS in Tata Company. The primary or the most important benefits of MIS in Tata Company is cost reduction. The following benefits of MIS in Tata Company are: it improves productivity. So it improves productivity because it reduces or restricts the duplication of data. The next one is provide real-time information. It provides real-time information which is beneficial for the company to track their inventory. It helps to track quality related issues such as quality improvement, defect analysis, etc. The next one is reduces cost and time as it is involving several automates several business processes such as arranging of production, order record, manufacturing, logistics, sales, marketing, etc. It generates documents related to trade finance automatically. The next is requisitioning becomes easy. Requisitioning refers to finding of best supplier. The next is improve management of the assets of the company. Next, manage company relations with their customer with the help of CRM. MI system help company to manage their vehicle order to delivery process. It provides current data and trend analysis. It also helps to reach customer effectively and give quick replies to their queries. References. Thank you.